So if you can't tell by the pile of presents behind me, it is Christmas time, which means it is once again time to make presents out of trash. So a few years ago, my family decided, with all the like significant others and kids and stuff like that, it was like, you know, way too many people to buy presents for. So what we're gonna do is, you have a budget of $100, you buy 3 presents, and we do like a Yankee swap sort of thing. And so hopefully through that process, you like, you know, win or steal something that you might actually want, right? And then one year I noticed my neighbor was throwing away some perfectly good MG fenders. So I thought to myself, you know what? I could do 2 presents for $100, and then you could get a better present. Someone could, right? And then the third present would be something I make from those fenders. So I took the fenders, I took some leftover LVLs from building the garage, and I made it into a coffee table. Turns out that present was so good that no one wanted it, and I still have it today. The next year, I did not learn my lesson. What I did is I went into my brother's attic, I stole his catback exhaust from his 2004 Honda Civic Si, and I turned it into a lamp. That one, people actually wanted. My brother wanted it, my brother-in-law wanted it, and he actually wound up with it. So since that went so well, this year I'm doubling down and I'm making 2 presents, which means 2 presents I make, 1 present I can buy for $100. I'm gonna have all the best presents at this game. So first present, this is a Mazda RX-7 engine and transmission from the RX-7 that we engine swapped. So I'm not just gonna put the entire engine in a box, although I could, that might be a good idea. No, we're gonna take it apart and turn it into something. And then the second one, my wife always gets like a little upset with this game. She's like, the guys only buy guy presents. The girls buy like presents that anybody could have, right? So you know what? I'm gonna make a present that she will want and we'll have to try and get in the game. So we're gonna start with the engine. I have no idea exactly what I'm gonna build. I just know I'm gonna take this apart and something good will present itself. So let's get started disassembling the engine. So yeah, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of polishing, and our engine parts cleaned up really nicely. So this is what I think I'm gonna be using. Those parts I'm saving for something else that you might see later. But today we're gonna keep working on this. So whenever I was trying to figure out what to do with this, making a lamp is pretty easy, but I had done that before. So I was like, what else can I do? Started searching around to see what other people had done with rotary engines. And so a lamp came up. I found that on Reddit. It was more like just like backlit LEDs, and it like lighted the wall behind it. Then another one I found from Mazda parts suppliers, they made a clock out of the rotor. They just kind of stuffed a clock in there, right? So I like both of those ideas. I think I'm gonna do both actually. So I think I'm gonna get a clock that fits in there, and then we're gonna do some LED backlighting, and we're gonna turn this into a lit timepiece. It's just gonna be cool. You'll see in a second. And there you have an LED accented timepiece. So yeah, I went ahead and hit the outside with this cast blast gray stuff that I used on various parts of the RX-7. It always comes out good, always makes everything look new. So that is on there, looking good. So yeah, I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought a $7 clock, so that's gonna count against me, but look how perfectly it fits. It's like the exact perfect size. And so I did leave it kind of loose. It's just held in here with some foam weather stripping. I hope I don't drop it. So the thing is, I don't know who is going to get this and what position they're going to want the rotor in. So I did think about welding the rotor to the housing to make it like permanent in one spot. But what if you want the rotor this way or that way? Or that way? You're going to need to move the clock around too. So yeah, the clock can be moved around, taken out to change the battery. And you can put the rotor wherever you want it and then just put your clock back in. Like so. And then on the back, yeah, we got our LEDs going. So not really the cleanest install, but LEDs, they don't like to curve around. They like to stay straight. So I had to use connectors in between each part there, but they work. You got your remote control. You can do all your different colors. And I did put the remote sensor, comes out in that little hole right there. So you can turn it off, turn it on, whatever you want to do. We went from looking like that to looking like that. So I think we did a pretty good job. Our trash is now Christmas present worthy, which brings us to our next pile of trash. I mean, Christmas present. And this is the pile of trash that we'll be using to make our next Christmas present. Remember, this has to be something that I know my wife will want, so she can't complain about the guys bringing guy stuff, right? So this is our coffee table, and as you can see, it has been kitted over the years. These are stains that will not come out. This is just like a wallpaper that my wife put on here, and yeah, our kids have ruined it. So I think for like over a year, I've been promising to make a new top for this that would be waterproof, kid-proof, whatever, and just haven't gotten to it. So today, we're turning our trash into a new top insert for this, and either my wife will love it and steal it or pick it, whatever, or someone else will wind up with a tabletop for my coffee table. So yeah, I'm gonna take this here trash, we're gonna slice, dice, glue, and make it pretty. And there you have one finished coffee table insert. So yeah, that was not too hard, pretty quick, pretty painless. Got a couple boards on the bottom, holding everything together with some glue and some nails. I did straighten up some of the boards because they were pretty badly warped, but you can tell, still tell that it was pallet wood. It's not completely perfect all the way across. We used classic gray, semi-transparent color stain. This stuff is really weird. I'm used to like regular stains that are super watery. This was like latex paint almost, and it was pretty hard to rub off, but the color came out pretty good. And then just a gloss polyurethane to finish it off. So yeah, a little bit more work to make it into an oval shape, but I couldn't very well go and try and fit this in the coffee table with my wife in there. So we're gonna leave it like this. Only thing left to do is wrap these wonderful creations up and let the chaos begin. He said he was worried when he got out of the car. Do you remember what I did a few years ago when I made presents?
My lamp? I still really want my lamp back.
Well, I'm gonna say it's not here today, but there's maybe something that's as good. I don't know. I don't know.
I gotta put better locks on my house.
Oh my gosh, who's number one?
Me. Ethan.
Oh, that guy.
Okay.
Is this game rigged?
I'm just nice. I was told that this is a gem. It's literally just a bunch of wood. It's literally just a bunch of wood. Wow. Okay.
You know what? She sees literally just a bunch of wood. You know what I see? I see kid-proof middle of your coffee table.
Wait, so what did you say?
You're...
Oh!
Oh!
This is very specific to me. So who wants this? I love it. It's very nice.
Question from the audience.
Are you passing off your list of chores as Christmas presents?
Yes.
He knows. He knows.
Yes.
Somebody just went right after my wife, and guess what he's taking?
Okay.
This guy.
Coffee table.
He just stole it.
No. Steal number one.
Wow.
That's number 2.
Where are you gonna put it? In your coffee table?
I might recycle it. I don't know.
Well, yeah, don't turn it sideways though. Don't turn it too much sideways. Anyways.
Is this a half bag of cement?
What is
It's
this?
a rotor clock. It's a rotary clock.
It's a rotor clock?
With LED lights?
On the back? Wow. Yeah, but it's multi-parted, so you gotta kind of pick it up and put it together.
God.
And it's a rotary clock. Ethan,
Oh.
them a koozies.
I may have put my children in there to entice people to keep it.
Oh, if someone steals from me, I'll fight it back. Was this from the rotary that was in there? Did you
Yeah.
take the engine apart?
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
That's the engine.
That's actually super cool. Well oiled.
There may be a little bit of oil on it still.
I drove that car home with that motor in it.
You did.
I
Yeah.
drove that motor.
Uh-huh. Yep. You drove Alan's clock or someone's clock. Yeah.
I already know how it ran.
Well, you know.
That's super cool.
It should be enough power for a car.
So my mother just stole my daughter's chocolate, and as a result, I think my wife is now stealing her tabletop back.
I'll see you again. I'll see you again.
Look what Mia got.
No, you're not gonna like that.
That's
You're actually not gonna like that.
that's why I'm choosing it.
No, you don't.
What number?
I don't think you want that actually. I would highly recommend against. I would put that
Which
back
is
under
why
the
I'm
tree.
going to open it.
But once you get this, it's open to being stolen, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so this can be stolen up 3 times. Perfect.
Well, I'm assuming this is a girl gift, is why you're saying this?
Yeah, sure.
Has
Seems
the
girly to me.
highlight. So good luck
Wait.
getting that one back.
Huh. That's weird.
Is this my wallet?
wallet?
Huh. That's really weird.
That's his
It's
wallet.
your
Huh.
wallet?
That's really strange.
My credit card and my driver's
Does anyone want to steal Steven's wallet?
Does it have any money in it?
Oh my gosh.
Huh.
I'm never inviting him over again.
Wow.
I don't really feel that guilty.
So what's in the box?
Oh.
I'm gonna assume this is not a dinosaur.
It's a nacho source because that wallet's nachos.
But this is mine.
3 steals. 3 steals. He would have traded anything to get that back. No.
A pickle beer?
All right.
It was a pickle beer.
So this morning, family Christmas, I'm opening my stocking, and I opened something. You might know what it is. Pickle beer, and it has a sticky on it. It says "Drink it now" because my 6-year-old wrote "Drinking now" on a pickle beer, then wrapped it, and then put it on my stocking.
Aw.
So, given that you failed to give someone else
No.
my wallet, you need to drink it now.
I mean, it's available to be stolen 3 times.
Wow.
This is technically regifting from your own son. Your own son.
That's true.
Oh, even on the holidays, it's bad.
Yeah, you guys are around.
This one's like flat too.
What did you do to him? What did you do? It's his turn and he's stealing the tabletop, so you can have it. He doesn't even want whatever the kid gift
Oh my gosh,
is.
that means you can steal my candle.
You could have stolen Daddy's wallet.
Wow.
Aaron, you can steal Daddy's wallet. I could steal Daddy's wallet.
Duck person right next to it.
That's really nice. And you were number 6?
Yep.
Don't talk to me.
I'm number 7.
With a duck person. Oh, the duck mug is gone.
Oh, no, my wallet. I got the duck mug, but Alan stole my wallet.
What's the duck mug look like now?
Okay, my final turn. Can you steal the Nachosaurus back? With my wallet, please.
Good.
How dare you?
Wow. I'm just glad I got my wallet back. Really.
100%, you should probably still cancel those cards. Who knows where that thing's been tonight?
So 0 to Awesome 2026, we're making a safe in my entryway thing where I put my wallet.
Also, 2026 Zero Awesome, we're learning to crack safes.
So yeah, that didn't turn out exactly how I was thinking. Everybody wanted the planks of wood that were, they're planks of wood, but the engine kind of went over well after people discovered it. That all went good. But until next time, Santa was good this year. He brought me, yeah, that's, it's a flamethrower. Yeah, we'll see you later. She's helping.
I don't know is my professional opinion.
Quick question.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure. Those are your flamethrower flip-flops, right?
Yep.
Flip-flops. Okay, we're good.
Flame flops, we're good.
Yep.
Get some
12 volt
voltage.
battery, 12 volt fuel pump. Dual grill igniters for safety and redundancy.
Safety and redundancy, and you flip that up, and that's your go button. Yeah.
Because it was tested at the factory. That's why there was gas in it.
Yeah. So we need. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh,
Wow.
oh, that's real nice.
There you go.
Oh.
Nice.